I'm home.
My dog wanted fizzy soda and didn't know how to act.
Hey. Hey. You're making a mess, bro.
Are you scared of this Swiffer?
Next to me, dude.
Calvin.
I dare you to try to come up from coach and use the first class bathroom when
No, you're not. You're not gonna do it. Oh, you.
¡Pequeño demonio!
What about zucchini boat?
Relax. I just want to take some pictures.
Hello? Oh, the vet? Oh, for Sam? Okay, I'm gonna take her. Alright. Let me take her around. Come on, let's go to the vet, Sam. Okay, she's gonna get shots?
Where's this fidget spinner? What will she do?
Did you get that? Oh my god.
His little mouth.
You crazy mother.
Are you all tucked in, Mr. Handsome? Yeah. Oh.
Otis, what you doing, little man? You comfortable, my boy?
Someone's mad.
Are you comfy, Bubba? I think someone was in the dirt.
Today I will be showing you how to catch a cat. Step 1, get a box. Step 2, you're welcome.
What's going on?
Literally milk falling from the ceiling. What the
Goo goo gaga. I want milk.
You got him! You got him, bro!
Wow. Crazy. You're crazy, girl.
I cooked 8 sausages, and then when they were cooked, I let the sausages cool down on the kitchen side. And then I cut the sausages in half and said to Annie, if we go for a walk, then when we come back, you can have some sausages as a treat. I did, didn't I? Yeah. And we cut all the sausages in half, didn't we?
Potty. You wanna go potty? Yeah, he wants to go potty.
Come on.
Well, I guess Rocco will never be able to float.
Oh, well, too bad. Bye, Rocco.
Let's go on the with the plan and Roblox, as you can see, look at all the robots. Let's go.
I will give you some if you will let go. Let go. Let me have it. Barney! Barney, no! What is this? Barney! Barney, that is sugar. Oh my God. Who were you, Pablo in another life?
Tell me you're in Turkey without saying you're in Turkey.
What did you do to my boy?
Twerky. Hi, honey. I do appreciate that this is when you want to spend quality time. However, I am just trying to change my sheets. Okay, so is that a no? That's fine. I'll sleep on the couch, I guess.
Hammy, sniff this. Whoa, you hate it.
No, don't.
It's too late.
Come on, dude, don't.
It's already in motion.
Well, put it out of motion.
You pissed me off.
Where's that fat ass chin chin?
Oh my God. No f***ing way.
No, open.
Playing a game of whack here. Whack.
Your mama's.
No, Dad, I'm not gonna do a hard eye.
Get it in there.
I might be fat, but I identify as skinny. Bitch, I'm trans-slender.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Excuse me, you've missed one too many rent payments and it's recycling day, so I'm gonna have to take the house from you.
When will the biscuits be ready? Thank you.
This is supposed to be a punishment for you. Why is it a game?
Broccoli, apples, pears, bananas, carrots, chicken.
She's peeing. Lyle is in the litter box. Lily. Buggy. Oh my god.
So, am I the only person who's over 18 that doesn't know how to drive? Because... Hi.
Duck. Fa la la.
So I heard if you give a cat an egg, it'll take care of it because it knows how fragile the egg is.
Bruh. What are you doing?
You with me, right?
You ready now?
No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Do you love me? No.
Hi Reggie, what you doing? Why the tongue out?
She's a precious angel. Okay, that didn't hurt. You're being dramatic.
Now talk.
Are you kidding me?
No. Quickly.
Meet meow. My meet meow.
No thank you. No thank you. Okay.
I really want some miso soup. Oh my god, miso.
Wrong house.
Where's the serotonin, you
Look, you have plenty of time to be a bad girl right now and not be a bad girl at 3 a.m. when I'm sleeping. Okay. I'm glad that we agree.
Ow! Xena! What is going on? There is a ruckus. What is happening? Oh. Hey. Whoa! Whoa! Pigeon.
I just don't want them waking up with allergies. No? Overkill?
You're the best girlfriend, Xena.
So I read on the internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
And then she tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb? Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her that everything that was going down for a reason. She wasn't trying to.
I don't know what drugs you took this morning, but this is unacceptable behavior. Do you hear me? Kitten? Do you hear me? Kitten, listen.
Oh. Hello.
I didn't know you could do that.
So good and tasty.
Oh, dude, that's so mean.
What the f-
Halo? Are you ugly on purpose?
Lemmy, are you sitting on my toothbrush? Lemmy, that's disgusting.
Toffee, this is great. Thank you.
Murphy! You're not allowed to have that. You don't know us from a hole in the wall. You're just walking around eating people's buns.
Buddy, you gotta let go.
Don't let go. I won't let go.
Minnie, I am allowed to wear socks in this house. First of all, no. I'm putting it back on.
Så det är jävla allting där här. Går det bra? Vad ska jag göra?
It's just a sock.
Remy, are you okay? You okay with me?
Guys, something's seriously wrong with my cat. She keeps making all these weird noises, waking me up when I'm sleeping. I've had enough, honestly. Come on, let's go to the vet.
Felix, get out of the freezer. Come on, get out. Yeah, your feet are sticking to the bottom. Yeah, come on, don't lick it.
I keep that MF thing on me.